Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we will explore Disney in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we are ready to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of July 2025, our system has identified Disney as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 5.86%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.73% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.63% to 25.23%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 20.75%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -4.42% to 42.62% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $107.89 and $160.99. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline, Reg Day on Thursday for Disney stock, after losing 1.99%. The Disney stock price decreased by 1.99% on the last day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. Falling from $115.17 to $112.88. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 4.10%, with a low of $111.82 and a high of $116.40. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 9 of those days, resulting in a total decline of 7.44% during this period. Notably, trading volume fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $124.69, while the lowest was $80.10. Currently, the price is 9.47%. or $11.81, below the 52-week high, and 44.40%, or $90.14, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2021, when the price soared to $203.02. The Walt Disney Company has made headlines today with a series of significant announcements that could influence its stock price both in the short and long term. In its third quarter earnings report, Disney exceeded earnings per share estimates and has raised its fiscal year 2025 earnings per share guidance to $5.85, reflecting an 18% year-over-year increase. This positive outlook, combined with their recent multi-billion-dollar media deal with the National Football League, is expected to strengthen investor confidence and drive the stock higher in the near term. Additionally, the integration of Hulu into Disney Plus indicates a strategic shift to consolidate their streaming services, which could streamline operations and enhance subscriber growth. Analysts are optimistic, with many rating Disney as a buy. The anticipated launch of ESPN's streaming service, along with strong performances in the theme park segment, adds further optimism. However, there are also challenges. Recent mixed quarterly earnings and industry commentary point to a cautious outlook on sustained growth. While Disney's thriving parks provide a buffer, the company must effectively tackle its streaming challenges. The market may react to these mixed signals in the short run, leading to volatility. Overall, positive quarterly results and strategic moves bolster Disney's position, suggesting a bullish trajectory in the long term, as the company aims to solidify its leadership in the streaming space and optimize its content offerings. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Disney an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, MoffettNathanson gave Disney a buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, Seaport Global rated Disney as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, Needham reported a buy rating for Disney, also advising a hold. On the same day, the 8th of May, 2025, Guggenheim also rated Disney as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Disney stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Disney. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Disney stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During potential upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at $117.28 and $120.24. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and, thus far, the stock has declined by 8.98%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price in the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 64 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 52 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. Disney finds support from accumulated volume at $112.36, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and, with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.58 between its high and low, which represents a change of 4.10%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Disney, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is relatively standard and is often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $115.17. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Disney faces its first support level at $112.36. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 17th of July 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,167 shares of Disney common stock. On the same day, Coleman Sonia L. also conducted an insider sale of 1,167 shares of restricted stock unit. Additionally, on that day, Coleman Sonia L. sold 419 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Woodford Brent conducted an insider purchase of 1,147 shares of Disney common stock. On that same day, Woodford Brent sold 253 shares of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive. With a ratio of 80.837, overall, insiders purchased 761,863 shares and sold 64,976 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Disney stock a good buy? The Disney stock exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Disney will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Disney to open higher by 82 cents and start trading at $113.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.